Good morning, students. In this lesson we are going to begin chapter 6, indices. So if I write 2 to the power 3, we all know that 2 is your base and 3 is exponent. Okay, and another name of exponent is index, and the plural form of index is indices. So there are some laws of indices that you have to remember, that a to the power 0 equals to 1. Any number whose exponent or index is 0, that will be 1. For example, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, next 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power is also 1. Any number whose exponent or index is 0, that will be 1. Another example, 1 to the power 3 to the power 0, this is also 1. Okay, so next a to the power minus n equal to a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. For example, 2 to the power minus 3. So 2 to the power minus 3 will be 1 by 2 to the power 3. Okay. Next, nth root of a. Nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n. For example, cube root of 2. Cube root 2 is here n is 3. Okay, and a is 2. And nth root of a equal to a to the power 1 by n. So a, write a, that is 2, and 2 to the power 1 by n. 1 by n is 1 by 3. Okay, so if I write square root of 3, square root of 3 will be 3 to the power 1 by 2. Fourth root of 5, fourth root of 5 is 5 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, so nth root of a is what? A to the power 1 by n. Next, a to the power p by q. If the exponent is in fraction, that is in the form of p by q, then this will be q root of a to the power p, or we can write this one, that p by q, we can write p by q is p into 1 by q. Okay, so a to the power p whole power 1 by q, because p and 1 by q will get multiplied, and p into 1 by q is p by q. This is then we can get a to the power p by q. This is correct. Okay, or we can write this one as a to the power 1 by q whole power p. This is also same, because 1 by q into p, 1 by q into p equals to p by q. Clear? There are some extra laws of indices that you have to remember. You have already studied this one in class 8. So just remember all these laws. So moving to the first question, evaluate 27 whole power 1 by q. So find the factors of 27. So 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 1, 3 1 ja 3. So this is 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 3 to the power 3. So 27, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3, and we all know if we remove this bracket, this will be 3 into 1 to the power 3. Okay, this will get multiplied. So 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 3 cancel, so 3 to the power 1 is 3. Clear? Next example, evaluate 27 to the power minus 1 by 3. So we all know 27 is 3 to the power 3. So write 3 to the power 3 instead of 27 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. And this 3 and minus 1 by 3 will get multiplied. So 3 into minus 1 by 3, and 3 will be cancelled. 3 to the power minus 1. We all know that a to the power minus n will be 1 by a to the power n. So 3 to the power minus 1 will will be 1 by 3. Clear? Next example, evaluate minus 27 to the power 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3, we can write 2 by 3 is 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, so minus 27 to the power 2, minus 27 to the power 2 whole power 1 by 3. Let's check 2 into 1 by 3 here. If you remove this bracket, this will be 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 is your 2 by 3. Okay, so minus 27 square is, minus 27 square is 700, positive 729. Okay, so 729 whole to the power 1 by q. So factors of 729, so 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9, then again 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, then 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 20, 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 1, 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. So the factors is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this will be 3 to the power, okay, we can write this one as 3 to the power 6, or we can write 9 to the power 3 also, because 3 into 3 9, then again 3 into 3 9, then 3 into 3 is also 9. So 9 into 9 into 9 will be 9 to the power 3, or you can write 3 to the power 6 also. Both are correct. Okay, so here we have written 9 to the power q. So 9 to the power q, if you remove this bracket, so 3 into 1 by 3 will be multiplied. 3 into 1 by 3 is 3 3 cancel, only 1 is remain. So 9 to the power 1 is 9. Clear? Next question, evaluate 64 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 7 to the power 0 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 64 to the power 64 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, we can write this one as 64 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2, because 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3. Okay, into 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 7 to the power 0 is 1 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this one 64 to the power 1 by 3, that means cube root of 64, and cube root of 64 is 4. Okay, so 4 square into 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 means so divided by 1 will be cancelled, because anything divided by 1 will get the same number. So 4 to the power 2 into 2 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. To this clear? Next is 4 to the power square. This 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 2 whole power 2. So 2 will get multiplied, so this will be 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 2, base is same, and in case multiplication the exponents will be added. So 2 to the power 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 equal to 4 plus minus 2, that means 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 to the power 2 whole power minus 1 by 2, and this will be 2 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled. 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. That is the answer. Moving to the next question, simplify 3 to the power n into n to the power x plus 1 by 3 to the power n minus 1 into 9 to the power x minus 1. Sorry, this one not x, this is n. Okay, so 3 to the power n by 3 to the power n minus 1. So base are same, and we all know that a to the power m by a to the power m, a to the power n by a to the power m is a to the power n minus m. Okay, so here the base is 3, and this one n minus n minus 1, 3 is same. Okay, so the exponent n minus 1 into, here base is also same, that is 9. So this will be n plus 1 minus n minus 1. Okay, so 3 to the power n minus 1 minus plus, so plus 1 into 9 to the power n plus 1 minus n plus 1. This one n. Okay, so plus n minus n cancel, plus n minus n cancel, so remaining is 3 to the power 1 into 9 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. So this will be 3 to the power 1 into 9 is, we all know 3 to the power square, so 3 to the power square in whole power 2 will get multiplied, so this will be 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4 will be 3 to the power 5. That is the answer. Okay, next question, simplify a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. So we can write a to the power minus 2 is a to the power minus 1 whole square. Yes or no? Because minus 1 into 2 equals to minus 2. Okay, like that b to the power minus 2 also can be written as a to the power minus 1, b to the power minus 1 whole square. Clear? Now we are going to write this one as a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 whole square minus b to the power minus 1 b to the power minus 1 whole square. Okay, now if you consider this a to the power minus 1 is x and b to the power minus 1 is b, now this is in the form of x square minus y square, and we all know x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Okay, so this will be a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 by a to the power minus 1 square minus b to the power minus 1 square. This will be a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 into a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1. Okay, so this will be cancelled. A to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 . So remaining is a1 by a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1. So this will be 1 by a to the power minus 1 is 1 by a. This a to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 1 is 1 by a, because a to the power minus n is 1 by a to the power n. Okay, so a to the power minus 1 is 1 by a and b to the power minus 1 is 1 by b. So this is okay. So this will be 1 by a and b. The LCM is ab. So this will be b minus a. So 1 by b minus a by a, ab will be ab by b minus a. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, ab by b minus a. Next question, prove that x to the power a by x to the power b whole power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c whole power b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a whole power c plus a equal to 1. Now moving to this left hand side, so that is x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power 1 a plus b. So here the base is same x, so we can write this one as x to the power a to the power x to the power a minus b whole power a plus b. Okay, because x to the power a by x to the power b is x to the power a minus b whole power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c. This is x to the power b minus c whole power b plus c. Okay, into x to the power c by x to the power a. This will be x to the power c minus a whole power c plus a. Up to this clear? Now if you remove this bracket, the x a plus b and a minus b and a plus b will get multiplied. So this is equals to x to the power a minus b into a minus b into a plus b into x to the power this b plus c into b minus c into b plus c will get multiplied, so x to the power b minus c into b plus c. Okay, next x to the power this c plus a and c minus a and c plus a will get multiplied, so x to the power c minus a into c plus a. Okay, now x to the power a plus b into a minus b into a plus b will be x to the power a square minus b square. Up to this clear? We all know that a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square into x to the power b minus c into b plus b minus c into a b plus c will be b square minus c square. Like that, this one will be c square minus a square, because c minus a into c plus a will be c square minus a square. So the base are same, so in case of multiplication we just add the exponent, so x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Okay, so plus a square plus a square minus a square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel, minus c square plus c square cancel. So this is this will be x to the power 0 and x to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so moving to the next question. If 1960 equals to 2 to the power a into 5 to the power b into 7 to the power c, find the value of a, b, c, and also find the value of 2 to the power minus a into 5 to the power minus b into 7 to the power minus c also. Okay, so first we have to find out the value of a, b, c, then find the value of 2 to the power a into 2 to the power minus a into 5 to the power minus b into 7 to the power minus c also. So the first step is find the factors of 1960. So 1960, so this is 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16, then 0, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, 0, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 5 ja 10, then 5 5 ja 25, 5 9 ja, wait a minute, okay, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, then 5 4 ja 20, 5 9 ja 45, then 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. So the factors is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 2. Okay, so this 1960 we can write this one 19 this 1960 is what? 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2, and this is 2 to the power a is 2 to the power 2 to the power 3, so a is 3, b 5 to the power b is 5 to the power 1, so b is 1, and 7 to the power c is 7 to the power 2, so c is 2. So a equals to 2, b equals to 1, and c equals to 2. Now the next thing you have to do is to find the value of 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus a into 5 to the power minus b into 7 to the power minus c. Just put the value of a, b, c here, then you will get the answer. Okay. So next question, find the value of x if 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 1. Now this 3 to the power 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 1, we can write 1 is 3 to the power 0. Yes or no? Any numbers whose exponent is 0, that will be 1. So instead of 1, we can write 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 0. That means the exponent should be equals. So you can write 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. That is the value of x. Okay. So the homework is exercise 6. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Okay. So my number is 9439882525. So thank you students. Have a great day.